morning, Oak Park. I'm Katie Slattery.
I'm Rebecca England. Welcome back to the Axe. It's Tuesday, September 6th.
This is our first episode of the Axe this school year, and we are so excited to have more people on our production crew this school year and to offer you, our viewers, more ways to watch. Each Monday, please have your advisory teachers tune in on our Northman News YouTube channel. We will start your week with the news you need, videos you don't want to miss, and some entertaining segments. The Axe is your place to plan all things Oak Park.
Then for Tuesday to Friday, you can catch us on TikTok at Northman News. Remember to follow the new cell phone rules, but follow at Northman News on TikTok. Each day we'll share 3 important things you need to be a Northman.
Hey there, Northman. I'm Alex Beals, and I'm here with my helper,
Rebecca England.
And today we'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy snack, granola balls. So first, take 1 cup of oats and put it into a large bowl. Then add half a cup of dried coconut flake into the same bowl. On top of that, add half a cup of semi-sweet mini chocolate chips. And then add in half a cup of ground flaxseed. It's very important to make sure it's ground, otherwise it won't combine correctly. And then we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of honey along with a teaspoon of vanilla. Looks pretty good so far, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells really good too.
Yeah, it smells very vanilla-y. And then we're going to add in, here, could you hold that for a moment? Yeah, thanks. We're going to add in half a cup of peanut butter. There we go. Stuff can be really hard to get out of containers. Okay, and then you're just going to mix it all a bit with your spatula or your spoon or whatever you're using, mostly just to get the stuff off of what you're using. And then you don't have to have gloves on, but we have gloves on for this part just so we don't get super messy. Just clean off your spoon or your spatula, and then you can set it down. And then you're just going to go in and combine it with your hands, just so that you get everything incorporated in there. That way you don't have like a bunch of spots of dried coconut flake or a bunch of spots of wet peanut butter. You just want everything combined. And ours is a little bit on the dry side, but at home you could add in a bit more peanut butter if you'd like, or a bit more honey. It doesn't have to be super specific.
Where did you find this recipe again?
I just searched up easy to make, no-bake granola ball recipes, and just found whichever one worked best for my time constraints. Some you have to refrigerate, some you don't. Ours you don't have to refrigerate beforehand, but it is recommended to have it in the fridge afterwards just to keep its structure. So this looks about done. And now you want to, here we go, put that over. You're going to form it into bite-sized balls.
There's a lot of new and exciting things going on. The Axe and other Northman media will have coverage for you. This week's activities include today, JV Girls Golf is out at a tournament at Paradise Point. At 4 p.m. tonight, the JV and varsity softball teams host the Winnetonka Griffins, while girls tennis and volleyball are on the road tonight. Wednesday at 4 p.m., boys swim will be at the Gladstone Community Center pool, plus girls tennis and C-Team boys soccer are in away games. Thursday offers 6 home games, with 4 p.m. JV and varsity softball hosting the Kearney Lady Bulldogs. Also at 4 p.m., JV and varsity girls tennis plays Ruskin at home. Park Hill comes to face the JV and varsity boys soccer teams at 5 and 6:30 at the OP Activities Complex. And there's C-Team football and volleyball on the road Thursday too. To close the school week, we have another home football game at 7 p.m. Friday night with varsity football hosting Grain Valley. This weekend, the theater leadership will be at a state conference. Cross-country runs in Raypeck, boys swim has a meet, and OP holds an ACT testing date on Saturday.
Thanks for watching Oak Park. Remember to be responsible, ready, and respectful. It's the Oak Park way.
I'm Katie Slattery.
And this is Rebecca England signing off for all of us here at the Axe. Have a great day, Oak Park.